Hello Year 7 and welcome to week 10, your final week of term 3. This week we are focusing on statistics. So first up, I've got Martin's test scores here from maths. Is there anything you can tell me about these numbers that's special? So for example, it might be that all of these numbers are greater than 50. Is there anything else you can see that jumps out at you that is special about this set of numbers? So you may not have been able to think of anything, but that's fine. What we're going to do is look at the mean, median, mode, and range. So this is where we find something special about those numbers. So these are used to summarize or describe a large group of data using just a single value. So we're going to go through the 4 of these keywords here, starting with the mean, which is the average. So what we're going to do is add all of the values in the list together, and that'll give us an answer of 783. We're then going to take that number and divide it by the number of values in the list. So we have, over on the left side, 9 values. So we're going to go 783 divided by 9, which is going to give us an answer of 87. Now 87 doesn't actually appear in the list there. That's fine. The mean doesn't always have to be one of the numbers that comes from your list. We then have the median, which is the middle. So the first thing we need to do is arrange the numbers in ascending order. If we remember back, ascending means smallest to largest, which we've done here. We're then going to find the middle number. Now, we've got 9 values in our list, so this is nice and easy to find the middle number, which is 88. We've got 4 on the left and 4 on the right, with 88 smack bang in the middle. When we have an even number, so say we have 10 numbers in our list, it's slightly different. So the first step remains the same, and we put our numbers into ascending order. And you'll see here now that I've got 10 numbers. What you're going to do this time is look for the middle 2 numbers. So in this case, we've got 88 and 95. We're then going to take those 2 numbers, add them together to get 183, and then we're going to divide them by 2, which tells us that 91.5 is halfway between 88 and 95. So that is your median, your middle number. We then have the mode, which is the most common. Again, I would be saying to arrange your numbers in ascending order first. This is really nice to do just so that you can see where those double up of numbers are, because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the numbers that appear the most. In this case, 97 appears twice. Key thing to remember here though is a list of numbers can have one mode, like this one here. We can have more than one mode. So for example, if we added in another 95 to this list of numbers, that would mean that 95 and 97 appear twice, so it's got 2 modes. We can also have no mode. So if I got rid of one of those 97 scores, each number would only appear once, and therefore we would have no mode. Okay, 3 quick questions. Can you pick out which set of data has one mode? If you said C, you were correct, so 16 is the mode there. Which set of data here has no mode? If you said A, you were correct. Each number only appears once. And finally, which set of data has more than one mode? If you said C, you were correct. So if you look at C, you've got 7 appears twice and 18 appears twice. So we've got 2 modes there. If we look at B, there is no mode, and then A only has one mode, which is 16. Okay, moving on to range. So range is the highest number subtracted by the lowest number. So our highest number here is 100. Our lowest number is 63. So 100 take 63. Our range is 37. And what I would like you to do now is head on over to video number 2.